I have been getting questions regarding the centering consistency of the transmitter sticks in this Jeti DS-16 radio. So let's talk about the technology behind the gimbals. These gimbals do not use the more traditional potentiometer technology. Instead, these gimbals use more modern Hall effect technology, which is not subject to wear. So in theory, these gimbals should work as well 100 years from now as well as they work today. Again, they're not subject to wear. Perhaps the bearings, can rust over time, but the actual sensors will keep going. So, well, like everything else, the proof is in the pudding. So let's test how well these sticks work. So let's check out the sticks here. So now everything here is centered. These are the channels. I have it set so that 1 is 1, channel 2 is 2, and so forth. So we're gonna check, and here everything centers at 0%, and the scale goes from -100 to +100. So let's check out the stick. We're gonna do a roll, right? So number 1, -100, +100, and it centers at 0. Let's do 2, the elevator, +100, -100, goes back to 0. Let's do 3, so that will be the rudder. Okay, so 3, +100, -100, and centers at 0. Now here for 4, let's see, 4, +100, -100, and again we can get it to center. But let's not stop there. We have, besides these 4 proportional channels, we also have an additional 4 proportional channels. Okay, so the sliders on the side, and of course the knobs here. So let's go with 5 will be the slider number 5. So let's see, +100, -100, centers at 0. Let's do 6. So the slider 100, -100, 0. Let's go with the knob number 7. Okay, so +100, -100, and we center it at 0. Now this doesn't always center, and it's not because of the sensor. Again, this is a potentiometer. Okay, not a Hall sensor, but a potentiometer. The deal is that mechanically there's a detent that stops the knob at intervals, so you can't really ever get it completely centered, but it's 0%. Now let's do 8, right? So 8, +100, -100, and let's see, let's center at 0. Now I have the rest of the channels, and of course this is a 24 channel radio. I have the rest of the channels assigned to this switch SD. So let's see, everything should come down to -100, and again 0, +100. Okay, so everything works like it's supposed to. Now, so I showed you everything, how well things center here using the 0%, -100, +100. Now we can actually add a little more resolution to the signal. Okay, so here we're gonna go into the 1 to 2 signal. So everything centers at 1.500. You can see 7. Again, the knobs is not 100%. We can get it to center a little bit if we play with it, but again, there's a mechanical detent that keeps it from always consistently coming to perfect center. Same thing with channel 8. You see it reads 1.499, but I can fiddle with that a little bit and get it to 1.500. But let's check out each channel. As you can see, everything is center now. See, 1.500. So let's do 1. Okay, it goes 2, it goes to 1.0 and it goes back to 1.500. Again, a lot of resolution. Okay, 2, let's do 2, so 2.0, 1.0, and it goes back to center. Same thing with channel 3 rudder. All right, 2, 1, and center, 4, right, 2, 1, and centers, and then 5, let's see, the slider, 5, okay, 2, 1, and centers, 6, this guy, 2, 1, and center, 7, again, these don't always center 100% or consistently all the time, but still pretty good. And 8, same deal. Okay, 2, 1, and center. Okay, and all the other channels, of course, are assigned to this switch. So it should go to 1, all these channels, and let's look at all of them here. 1, 1.5, and then 2. See? So everything, you know, it can't get any better than this.